We're kicking off our app at the command line with the command node app.js, which works fine for us. But we have to know that app.js is the right file to start up our app, right? We know that app.js is that file because we wrote it. But what if somebody else was working with our code? They wouldn't know that our startup file is called app.js. They wouldn't know which file it was at all. So there's a standard configuration which we can apply now, and this simplifies starting the server in that the name of the startup file is irrelevant. So in the terminal, I've used Control-C to stop our running application. And let's take a look in our package.json file. And we can see in here that there's an entry called scripts. And within scripts, the second entry that it has is called start, and the value is node server.js. This is a startup command, and this command was applied by Cloud9 in the template application that was provided for us when we set up our app. However, this is incorrect for the app that we're building. So what we need to do is provide app.js as our startup command. And because package.json is outside of our project directory, we also need to provide here the correct project directory. So we can say node project app.js is our startup command for NPM to use. So let's save this file. And we can now go back to our command line and use the standard startup command npm start. And when we hit enter, NPM will look in the package.json file at the start command and take this value, which we've supplied, and start our application for us. So let's hit enter. And the output shows that Node ran this command, node project /app.js. And look here, we can see that our application is running. So this standard configuration we'll use now for the rest of the project, and this is something that you'll want to use in any project that you build here on out. And the reason why standard start command is important is when you deploy your application, if you deploy a Node application on a cloud provider like Heroku or Google Cloud, the infrastructure that you'll be using will look for a configuration with a startup command like this, and it will simply run npm start. And if your application isn't configured to respond properly to npm start, your application won't start in the cloud. So again, any project you set up after this, be sure to configure the script's start entry with the proper npm startup command.